Hello everyone, I'm Jared, and in my hand I have the latest Screamin Eagle Pro Street Tuner. I'm going to show you how this tiny device can help unlock amazing performance from your motorcycle. Stay tuned. See what I did there? So whether you're new to tuning or an expert already, you can use the new generation Screamin Eagle Pro Street Tuner to customize your motorcycle's performance, either wirelessly through your phone or through a wired connection via laptop. As you can see, the Pro Street Tuner module is tiny and it discreetly plugs into your bike's data port. You won't need to worry about splicing or dealing with any underseat hardware. Now, once installed, a majority of the changes you desire can be made via Bluetooth connection and the easy-to-navigate mobile app. You can upload the latest ECM, which is the engine control module calibrations, to match your bike's state of tune, or perform a smart tune session to tailor the base calibration to your custom ride. If you want to add a high-flow air cleaner or street performance mufflers, well, the tuner can be easily managed and calibrated to ensure your bike performs its best after any modifications have been made. Are you making 2, 3, or 4 upgrades? Uploading the tune is as simple as uploading the proper ECM calibration to match the model and hardware. Screamin Eagle has a built-in vast calibration library available to ensure tuning is easier than ever. The Street Tuner Smart Tune function allows you to log real-world data, whether that be from time spent on the open road or on the dynamometer, to better tailor the base Screamin Eagle calibration to your specific motorcycle. Now, once the Street Tuner has gathered data from a session, it will process that data and apply any determined changes to your vehicle. You can actually view the runtime data through the mobile app or download it to your computer, where you can then evaluate the bike's air-fuel ratio, O2 sensor readings, engine speed and temperature, throttle position, and much more. Through the mobile app's new performance widgets and features, you can also view live engine data as you tune. You can check engine head temps, battery voltage, and more. Plus, you can also view diagnostic functions, monitor the health of your bike, and clear active error codes. On models with the factory-installed O2 sensors, the Smart Tune Live feature can be used. This is a dynamic method to track engine data by running the vehicle through a range of RPM and throttle positions, reducing time to modify existing volumetric efficiency tables. Now keep in mind, if more fine-tuned calibration changes are desired, these can be made via the desktop application by connecting your laptop with the Y cable that is sold separately. This process is a must for those running their bikes on a dynamometer. The Screamin Eagle Pro Street Tuner won't impact your Harley-Davidson factory warranty. The Pro Street Tuner is compatible with 2021 and later Softail touring and trike models, but does not fit California models. The Street Tuner is 49 state US EPA compliant. For more information specifically about the Street Tuner, visit harleydavidson.com/Street Performance Tuner to view the tuner's capabilities, complete calibration options, and how-to videos. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer.